Morphology. This branch deals with the study of form and structures of living organisms. Molecular biology, biochemistry, deals with the study of the molecules of life, e.g., water, proteins, carbohydrates, lipids, and nucleic acids. Anatomy. The study of internal structures is called anatomy. Histology. The microscopic study of tissues is called histology. Cell biology. The study of the structures and functions of cells and cell organelles is called cell biology. This branch also deals with the study of cell division. Physiology. This branch deals with the study of the functions of different parts of living organisms. Genetics. The study of genes and their roles in inheritance is called genetics. Inheritance means the transmission of characters from one generation to the other. Embryology. It is the study of the development of an embryo to new individual. Taxonomy. It is the study of the naming and classification of organisms into groups and subgroups. Paleontology. It is the study of fossils, which are the remains of extinct organisms. Environmental biology. It deals with the study of the interactions between the organisms and their environment. Sociobiology. This branch deals with the study of social behavior of the animals that make societies. Parasitology. This branch deals with the study of parasites. Biotechnology. It deals with the practical application of living organisms to make substances for the welfare of mankind. Immunology. It is the study of the immune system of animals, which defends the body against invading microbes. Entomology. It is the study of insects. 5. Pharmacology. It is the study of drugs and their effects on the systems of human body.